Okay, so this video, girl, I'm just cleaning up my eyebrows because, child, these things are bushy, okay? So first thing that I do, and again, this is how I do my eyebrows. I brush them up with a spoolie, and then I'm just gonna start trimming the long hairs. And I continue to brush up, and then I brush down because I also want to trim up the hairs that's hanging downward too, so that way I can see in both directions if the hair is still too long. So that's what you see me doing right now. Again, this video, I'm just cleaning up my eyebrows. I'm not filling them in or anything. This is just merely cleaning up. And I'm going to show you a quick way, if you're beginner to waxing your eyebrows, of how to kind of shape them and what I used to do. I no longer do this process because I'm not a beginner to shaping my eyebrows or waxing my eyebrows, but this is for beginners to waxing your eyebrows. So whatever I do to the right, I do to the left. And I pay close attention to this particular brow because this one, for some reason, grows a lot more thicker than the other one. So again, your eyebrows are not twins, they are sisters. So what I do is I'll hold my eye up by the arch. That way I can see what shape my eyebrow really goes into. And then you can take a white eyebrow pencil or any color, and you can just shape your eyebrow like you see me doing right now. And I go like it, in the hair of where I want, like how thick or thin I want it. That way I know exactly where to apply the wax. So when you put the wax on, you're gonna follow that outline. That way you're shaping your eyebrow and you're getting the excess hair. You're getting it to the thickness or the thinness that you want your eyebrows. Again, you're holding it up by the arch. Now you're going to, this is soft wax that I'm using on my eyebrows. So now you're going to take your wax paper. And girl, when you see me doing it this long, that's because, honey, I'm trying to mentally prepare myself for the pullback, okay? So here we go. Boom. Woo, child. So we're going to do this to the next side. You're going to just, again, follow the outline. Follow the outline. And when you're getting ready to pull that tape off, you want to hold your skin taut. So you want to hold it tight. That way it doesn't pull your skin as much. Like that. Okay. Girl, you saw it. Okay. So now I'm just going to try and start removing some of this excess wax off. And so now what we're going to do after we move the excess wax off, we're going to go on the top of the eyebrow as well. Okay. You want to do the same thing. And the top of my eyebrows, I'm just merely like, again, I'm not even really shaping. I'm just cleaning up because you have little fine hairs up there. And again, you're going to follow your outline. Don't F up with the outline. Follow it. Because I messed up on one of these brows. I'm going to show you in a few minutes, okay? Again, I'm just pushing it down till I get mentally prepared. You see how I'm holding my skin tight? And then I pull. It doesn't pull your skin. So follow that outline. And then you see right there at where you see me pulling up the wax, I had too much wax on my stick. Girl, somebody was talking to me. They always bothering me when I'm recording, you know? So, like, I don't really have any hair in between my eyebrows, so I don't have that uni thing going on. So what you see me doing right now is I'm taking some oil and I'm just going over my eyebrows because oil removes the wax from your eyebrows. So that's what I am doing. I'm just going over it. But still, girl, we got some cleanup to do, okay? So this is, again, I'm gonna keep reiterating this how I do my eyebrows, because it's a certain way I like my eyebrows. So I'm gonna push this hair up again with the spoolie, because I'm looking for some additional long hairs. And you see how I'm holding it in place, and then I'm trimming the long hairs. So I take the spoolie, I brush it up, and then I hold it in place, and then I trim. So you see me pushing it down? I'm pushing it down, the hair that is, and then I'm trimming it. So I'm doing the same thing that I did to the one side, I'm doing to the other. Push the hair up, hold it in place, and see where the long hair is, and trim it. And then I'm gonna brush it down, and I'm gonna do the same thing. Okay, so right now, that's how that look. And right there, that's what I'm showing you right there. I messed up. I was not paying attention, and I pulled too much hair off of the front, but I'm always going to cover that up anyway when I fill my eyebrows in, when I do my makeup and stuff. So now I'm just putting some eyebrow gel on them, and just brushing them into place, just so I can see if I want to do any more cleanup. This is perfectly fine for me, because I'm going to be filling my eyebrows in. I just want them cleaned up and not as bushy. So that's what you see me doing here. But I just wanted to show you a quick way to do this as a beginner, using the method of using a different color pencil, eyebrow pencil, whether it's a white eyebrow pencil or not. But that's it, girl.